Animal groups, written by James Bruchac. Essential question: what makes birds different from mammals? Fish, amphibian, reptile. Let's take a look at the 5 animal groups. Bird, mammal. How are animals in a group the same? Fish must live in water. Fish have gills that help them breathe in water. Fish also have fins and tails. Those help them swim. They also have eyes, mouth. Fish can be many shapes and sizes. Can you find a fish in this picture? Reptiles. Reptiles can live on land. Some like to be in water. Reptiles have scales on their skin. Scales, tail, eye, legs. Many reptiles hatch from eggs. Snakes cannot walk. They do not have legs. This snake slides its long body on the grass. Amphibians. Amphibians spend time both on land and in water. They do not have scales. Their skin is wet. They also have legs, wet skin, and an eye. Tadpoles. Amphibians hatch from eggs. Tadpoles hatch and grow to be frogs. Birds. A bird has feathers and wings. This bird's eyes are on the side of its face. They also have a bill, which is a long beak, wing, and feathers. Many birds can fly. Some can run or swim fast. Birds hatch from eggs. This hen made a nest for its eggs. Mammals. Mammals can be many shapes and sizes. They have hair on their skin, and 2 eyes, legs, and a tail. This one has 4 legs. A mammal, mom, can make milk for its baby. Lots of mammals live on land, but some live in the water. Do you know that you are a mammal too? Haha. Thank you for listening.